It's the storm right before the big storm. I think this one just formed out of nowhere as well. Yeah, it's starting to...
Nothing. They think his mom's.
I would say this one's more like a... What would you say? This one's a heavy shower?
Yeah.
It looks like a heavy shower.
They can go outside at least. Maybe they want to go.
Looks like steady. Looks like somewhere between a shower. Looks like a heavy shower or regular rain.
What is it? The dog went out there?
It's very cold and humid right now.
Yeah, I know that. I said it was really cold before. I
Yeah,
put
but
my coat on.
yeah, but it's also very humid.
Where's the dog going? Don't let her out.
I'm not. Yeah, it feels humid. It's after dropping. It's around 55 now.